లైవ్ అది బ్లాక్ వస్తుంది నా ఇమేజ్ అది పోయింది
and he's heaved on the leg side. It was kite, the ball was dangling in air and will be little slow. The shot was good and will collect 3. That is very good running to maximize your runs and the maximum to utilize.
డివైస్ లో 1 పెట్టినానా అది వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ ఎగిరిపోయింది అదంతలానే
1 పెట్టాలంట డివైస్ లో 4 ఉంది
1 లో ఉందా వచ్చి పోయింది ఎగిరిపోయింది అది అదంతలా అదే
అది 4 లో ఉండాలా 1 లో ఉండాలా బటన్
ఇది బటన్ 1 యూజ్ చేయాలి
అయితే 4 లో రెడ్ లైట్ ఉంది కదా
అదే అట్లా వస్తుంది
బౌలర్ నేమ్
That was the call. They played well and will be 2 runs. It's good running and his Venkatesh is making Pandu run across the wickets, and we've seen the communication between 2 batsmen, how good runner Pandu is and how well he can play the shots as well.
रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ
And catches the call and is very lucky to survive. Very lucky. The fielder was running along the ball and could have been a chance if he would have dived forward, but quite difficult. When the ball's taken off your edge, it's never easy to touch the ball. Quite high, catches the call. Can somebody get underneath the ball? Can somebody? And nobody. That's a boundary. Will be 4 runs. He's hit over the deep point. Couple of bounces and 4. He can take you down for a ride and hit your 6s from point and covers just for fun. He makes par hitting so very easy. Catches the call, and what we've been talking about, the par hitting. He has to depart.
ఒకసారి ఆనా ఇమేజ్ వస్తలేదు రికార్డింగ్ అవుతుందా రికార్డింగ్ చేస్తున్నా
ఫీల్డర్ నేమ్
రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నా
अरे माइक लो अड़गొద్దు भाई
नहीं नहीं
పోతాడు కదా నేను సాయి రోజు ఆగమాగం ఉన్నాము
नहीं वो नहीं आ रहा अभी आके गए ना नहीं आ रहा ऐसा नहीं आ रहा था वो डिवाइस नहीं रहता उधर डायरेक्ट ऑफलाइन में रहता वो डिवाइस ब्लैक डिजाइन ये अलग है पूरा वो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा अभी रिकॉर्ड అయితే రికార్డ్ లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ లేదు రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది बैट्समैन ने पूछना
भाई बैट्समैन नेम
आ उधर पूछा दीपक भाई पूछना
अरे అన్న
अरे दीपक कोई पूछो
అక్కడ నుంచి అడుగు అన్న ఆవాజీ
इधर अरे बैट्समैन ने मार ना दीपक ना
And leaves the ball well. Seems he's judging how the wicket is and the ball is. Very complacent player and high quality player he is, Teja.
బ్యాట్స్మెన్ తేజేశ్వర
तेजेश्वर
Little too short and what a good bounce. Good bounce off the wicket. This is what they would expect for the knockout game and for finals. At the over ends,
స్కోర్ చెప్పాలి బై
28 loss of 2 wickets
2 wickets are down for all stars and the score is 28.
ఎన్ని ఓవర్స్
4 overs
4 overs being completed. And the little man with the pack of talent is back in the attack.
ఇట్లా అయితే పెళ్ళి ఎట్లా సాయి
अरे
आगम
यार तो
आगम
मैं
होने
क्या
दे।
करूँगा भाई?
आगम आगम वो नहीं यहाँ तो तुम कहीं को परेशान हो रहे
मेरा तो गुस्सा आ रहा हूँ गुस्सा आ रहा है। या तो क्या मैं क्या करूँ
देखना ना बोले टाइम पे
नहीं
सुनना
देखा
ना।
देखा तो अभी आके गए ना चले गए ऐसे चले गए तो मैं क्या करूँ
Hands slow through the air and the ball's beaten everyone, like the keeper as well. The ball cut everyone into 2 halves.
ఏం పెట్టినా
क्या
రన్ గానా
डॉट है गए रन है
ఎవరున్నారు స్ట్రైక్ లో
राइट लो तेजेश्वर
ఈడొకడు సోడిగాడు
Straight to the short covers. 0 runs. And again slowed up through the air, he's struggling. And this has been the key for Ranadhir, where he slows the ball up and the batsman will eventually have to generate the pace to hit him out of the park or hit him. It will not be easy. And dot ball straight in front of his pads and wickets. Bowling line and length pretty well.
ఏంద్రా ఇక్కడ రాకు జాగలేదు ఏకి కాదు జాగలేదన్నా ఎలా ఉన్నావు బాగున్నావా మెట్ల మీద ఎక్కిస్తూ
Was very close. Very good bowling. This is what we've been talking about, the mix and the pace he takes off the ball. Beautiful flight.
Looked up
Looped up again, out, and he's taken off. The ball has hit the wickets out of nowhere. He is the magic wizard for KCC Royals. He is small, but a little dynamite, pocket-sized dynamite. Won't be easy to take him on, and already 3 wickets down. The same story, same errors for all stars continue.
Jump.
उसको नका बोला सो गया पूरा निकलेश बैट्समैन है मारे बैट्समैन मैं बोल रहा हूँ सुरेश
ఇక్కడ రా మెట్ల మీద కూర్చో.
స్కోర్ చెప్పండి. స్కోర్ 28.
ఒక్క రన్ కూడా రాలేదా?
And 28, no run, a made it over plus wicket for KCC Royals. A very good over.
ఏ రాకు పడిపోతాం అలా.
And at the very minute, the team All Stars will not look out to capitalize on the power play. The only thing they would want would be that they would want to keep their wickets in hand and would long to pull the game as long as they can pull it, because it has been a regular problem where they could not encounter the problem with the collapse of middle order.
ఏంద్రా రణధీర్, ఏ రణధీర్ ఓజా మార్ రే ఓజ్ మార్ రే.
And Dinesh, the new bowler, keeping it tight. The length with the ball has been magnificent for the team. Whosoever is coming up from KCC Royals is hitting in the right area, the fast bowlers. And the wicket providing good bounce today. And little too away. The umpire had no two views to give it as a wide.
భయం వేస్తుందా? ఎలా ఉన్నారంట డాడీ?
And little Leonard would have been a run. And that is what we talk about, the communication, how well you build rapport with your fellow player. And the scoreboard being ticked constantly is very important.
పండుకుంటా.
And was appealed for out, but was away from his bat. Just checking with the umpire. Sometimes fast bowlers can be hilarious with the appeals and the type of action they do. Why shouldn't they? Because they work very hard with the ball. An attack from Dinesh Lovely. Can somebody get in there in time? He wasn't lured. He did very good job, Ranadhir, from the short third man. Ball was falling little too short from him. He didn't try to attempt because he knew within no time he could not have reached the ball. And very close, beautiful. What a Jaffa. What a Jaffa he is bowling. Excellent bowling by Dinesh, keeping it tight, giving no room and making them work very hard. Very disciplined line. What a beautiful one. What a beautiful one. The praises to his over are less whatsoever I do. Very good over. Just 2 runs and the score's 30. 6 overs completed and at the loss of 3 wickets.
ఆగను, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. ఏం లేదా? చైర్స్ లేవు. దా
नीचे बैठते
దా మెల్లగా మెల్లగా రా.
अच्छी नहीं है, तो गिर जाता ऐसा करना। ये काजा
మెల్లగరా అది అదే మానిక్యులేషన్ అంటే
वाला टीम
काजा
खाजा वाला टीम खाजा
गया ना वो
అరే సही लाउनो
And the captain of the team spot in the attack and straight away driven to captain. Whosoever you are, if you bowl the wrong line, you'll be taken for granted. And this is what Venkatesh is showing here. And talking about how well he's batting, he's not played any ugly shot here, and will be very important how he will anchor the innings. It's not important how you start, but it is important how you end it. Was little too wide, and they've got the sweeper here. And says no. Could have been 2 runs there. Let's think and let our viewers and their teammates think. One run. He heaves across. Will have to run hard if they want to collect 2 runs. And will be boundary, no efforts from the fielder. Did well to get the ball, but didn't put much efforts. Will get 4 runs. One's disadvantage is the opportunity for other. And again, White will have to do a lot of work, and the ball has passed. He's looked good, but now he's popped it out, Ranadhir. And errors and errors and errors going on.
వైట్ ప్లస్ 4
And hopefully the ball was counted. The fielding was looking good, but as the game is proceeding, they are looking rusty. Little too short again, flicked well. Will have to run. Very good picking off his shots. Will the ball reach the boundary? Oh yes, it will. You don't have to run. Rejoice on the shot. A Natraj shot, which was a trademark by Chris Gale and Kapil Dev. You'll have to watch the ball keen if you want to play shots like these, and it represents and reflects the class you have. 7 overs completed, the score is 48 on the loss of 3 wickets.
कंटिन्यू वाला दिनेश
And the fine, disciplined fast bowler brought in the attack back, Dinesh, who just gave 2 runs.
ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మంచి అనిపిస్తుందా మంచిగా ఉందా ఎప్పుడు పోతున్నావు ఖమ్మంకి అడుగుతున్నాను. బోర్ కొడుతుందా? ఇది పట్టుకో, అక్కడ పెట్టుకో.
Sky high, can someone? No one. Butter hands and butter hands. Catches win matches, and as this is a vital game for you, you don't want to make any errors, and the batsman Suresh will have to make his life count and will have to play a master knock here. And yes, driven well. This is the type where they are treading well. On the other end, Venkatesh is doing his job. What he'd like to do, from what he'd expect from his fellow partner Suresh, is that just stay steady on the other half of the wicket and just give me back my strike. That means just giving 1 and 2 runs. And off the stride. 4th and 5th stump. Line kept beautifully. Nothing wrong with the line and length here. And again beaten up. Beaten up. How lucky that he didn't get his outside edge. Lucky to survive on the second time. Full toss. And where is it going? Straight to the boundary, is it? But very close. The ball just sees the boundary, but fielder says, I'm not in a rush to allow you to pierce me. Catches the call, and this time Venkatesh falls. This is the wicket what they were looking for. And straight away the fielder hadn't had to do much about where he was standing. And will go straight into his hands. And how often do we see Mayank K collecting catches? It's good. His safe pair of hands makes Venkatesh departs back to pavilion.
Bowler name Mayank.
Batsman name Sridhar.
నీళ్ళ బాటిల్ ఇవ్వు. నీళ్ళ బాటిల్
इधर अच्छा इसका पीछे है। इसका पीछे इधर अच्छा है।
పడిపోయా.
Captain Sridhar.
ఇక్కడ పెట్టాం కదరా. మళ్ళా ఎక్కడ ఏంద్రా
इधर अच्छा काम है।
కింద చూడు, లేకపోతే నీళ్ళ బాటిల్ ఒక ప్యాకెట్ తీసుకొని రా ఇడ్లీది, సరేనా? తీసుకొని రా తొందరగా.
And Mayank in the attack. And given as a no ball straight. Has fallen.
ఏడంటే ఆడ. వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఇక్కడే కదరా మేము పెట్టేది.
नीचे गिर गया था।
కింద పోయి చూడు. అరే అరే పోయి చూడరా, లేకపోతే తీసుకొని రా ఒక ఇడ్లీ ప్యాకెట్, సరేనా?
And there's nobody. Just save your energy and watch the strike what you've hit. Beautiful and glorious to see him hit over the shot covers fielder. And everyone in the ground was just spectating the shot he played. 4 runs.
పోరా థమ్స్అప్ బాటిల్ కాదు ఏ సోడిగాడు తీసుకెళ్ళండి
लेके गए सुधाकर ने
తొందర తీసుకొని రా అబ్బా మా వాడంటే ఫాస్ట్ ఉండాలి నిఖిలేష్ మా వాళ్ళంటే ఫాస్ట్ ఉండాలి
And good piece of cricket after the boundary to get off your strike. Sridhar to face his first ball. Let's see what is it going to be.
అరే ఒక వాటర్ బాటిల్ తీసుకొని రా అబ్బాయి తీసుకొని రా
Spin given as wide.
అరే చెప్పు సాయి ఎక్కడ ఉంది
अरे
బాటిల్?
उधर से लेके आओ भाई తీసుకురా पॉड नहीं बॉटल ఇప్పుడు इधर से लेके गए
తొందర రా
कौन लेके गए अंदर देखा एक बार లోపల చూడు ఉంది రెడ్ కలర్ బాటిల్
ఏయ్ उसको చికెన్ అక్కోలా రే హ్యాండ్స్ వాష్ చెయ్యి
శానిటైజర్
హ్యాండ్ వాష్ తోటి అమ్మ మాకు దొరుకుతారేంది
Tickled it fine off his pads. And the field is placed in the deep fine leg region. It'll be 1 run.
ఇక్కడే ఉండేది కదరా
नीचे गिर गई कौन सी लेके गए
మొత్తం ఉందా దొరుకుతుంది ఆడ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఫోనా
नहीं साहब
And straight where his head. And first humongous 6 of the match. Good shot. Clean and straight. Making everybody watch. Fetch the new ball. Suresh making things count.
పోవాలి 120 మజా వస్తుంది
And was straight in the wickets. Somehow, he did enough to defend the ball.
చేతులు గలీజ్గా ఉన్నాయి అందుకోసం తింటలేను
He's moved across and will go straight to the fielder.
वही नहीं फोन लेकर गए
9 overs completed. The score 68 on the loss of 4 wicket.
मैं लेके आया ना
అరే ఇడ్లీ ప్యాకెట్ చెప్పినాను కదరా అది ఇచ్చేసి పో
బౌలర్ దినేష్
ఇక్కడ నుంచి తొందర రాలబ్బా
मैं लेके आया
ఏం నువ్వు ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటావు ఈరోజు స్లోగా ఉన్నావు డల్గా
सुधाकर ने लेके गए था
దాదా ఇడ్లీ ప్యాకెట్ తీసుకొని రా ఆకలి అవుతుంది
నీ కూడా తెచ్చుకుంటే నువ్వు కూడా తెచ్చుకో
And found his outer area of the bat.
सुदर्शन सुधाकर नाके लेके गए
He's beaten him. He's beaten all ends up by his outside edge. And it's really disappointing to see Dinesh without any wicket. And very good again, very good again. You are delivering the quality stuff.
రే నువ్వు పని చేయరా,
ప్యాకెట్ ఇస్తారా?
నీ పని చేయి నువ్వు.
ప్యాకెట్
వద్దు వద్దు. అరే
ప్యాకెట్
ఖాళీ ప్యాకెట్.
నువ్వు తెచ్చుకుంటే తెచ్చుకో.
దినేష్కి ఒక వికెట్ ఉందా?
Was hit with half-heartedness. Should get one more wicket. The point I was making here, should get another wicket. The type of effort he is putting in to every ball and the line length he is making the batsman face. And his pull, a rare delivery which was quite loose.
తాగింది నీళ్ళ ఇది పక్కన.
బతకాలే.
There was some appeal for out, but the umpire straight away looked disinterested. 10 overs completed, 72 on the loss of 4 wickets. Runs aren't the matter of concern here for all stars, but the wickets are, because they're already 4 down, and for KCC Royals, they would want someone. 72 10 overs completed. And for KCC Royals, they'd want to take as many wickets as possible here, at least 1 or 2, to put them back in the pillion seat and dominate them.
ఒకటి తింటావా, రెండు తింటావా? ఏయ్ మెల్లగా రారా రే. ఏందా అసలు ఇట్లా వస్తున్నావు? ఏదో ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చావు? ఒక్కటా? పిల్లలు వేసుకోవాలి మళ్ళా. బాగాలేదురా, జ్వరం వచ్చింది. వద్దు, చట్నీ ప్యాకెట్ ఎందుకు మళ్ళా? ఇచ్చే, తీసుకొని వచ్చావు కదా. తిన్నావా నువ్వు? తినే మళ్ళా. ఏంద్రా బిస్కెట్లు గిస్కెట్లు ఏంద్రా తిండా? నీ మొహం. ఇక్కడ నిఖిలేష్ బ్రో, అక్కడ పడేయి బ్రో, అక్కడ బ్రో. ఏ జోబ్లో పెట్టాయి, పడేయి.
మిర్చి తీసుకోవడం
గట్టిగా పడేయడం. అదే
నిఖిలేష్ మిరపకాయ బజ్జీ ఉంది ఆడుంది మీద. అగో మీ నెత్తి మీద ఉంది, మీ నెత్తి మీద మిరపకాయ బజ్జీ ఉంది. అగో ఆడ
ఏంటి ఫోన్ అన్నట్లా?
ఆన్ కాదు ఈరోజు, నాది కూడా ఆన్ అవుతుంది.
పట్టుకో పట్టుకో. అదే అదే చట్నీరా.
చెప్పొచ్చు.
తింటున్నావా? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
నేను తినట్లేదు.
And has he found the gap? Has he found the gap? The fielder will have to do a lot of running here. Will collect 2 runs. Very good running, very good call by Sridhar to come back for the second one. And this is what they'd want to put pressure on fielders by making 2 runs out of 1. Vamshi back in a spell.
చెప్పేటప్పుడు డిస్టర్బ్ చేయదా సరే రైట్
పడట్లేదు.
He's hit it inside out. 2 was his call and he'll get it 2. Defended with firm bat.
ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ లైన్ అయితే షీరగాడి వస్తుంది.
ఈరోజు
స్కోర్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఫోన్ నుంచి స్కోర్ వేసింది.
Was a slower one. Driven for a single. Good mix of pace.
nice bowling, come on boys.
And very well mixed up pace is deceiving the batsman. Very crafty to end this over. 11 overs completed. The score 78 on the loss of 4 wickets.
మరి మీరు లైవ్ పెట్టారు
ఓహోయ్ బౌలింగ్ కాజా బాయ్
కామెంటరీ చెల్లాడిని హీరో కొడుతుంది
बॉलिंग आ जा भाई ओए एक्सीलेंट कमबैक ओवर
पकड़ेगा सब चीज आज
Very good bowling by Khaja. Wicket to wicket, and he and wicketkeeper were playing, but the batsman analyzed that they are also in the game and will have to collect 1 or 2s.
పంచ్ చేయాలి.
And they'll collect 2 runs. Sounded sweet.
నాకే నువ్వు బోండాలు తిను, నేను ఇడ్లీ తింటా, సరేనా? ఏ బోండాలు నువ్వు తిను, సరేనా? ఏ వద్దు నాకు బోండలు.
Twelve overs completed. The score is 82.
అలానా 82 for 4, 12 overs. हाँ 10 बजे आए तो भी आराम से आ सकते थे, क्या जल्दी था?
Bowler name, opening bowler.
సెకండ్ హెల్ రాకర్స్ అనుకుంటాను.
ఈరోజు ఏడా ఉంటుంది, ఏడా ఉంటుంది రేపు దాకా. ఏమైంది?
Phantom Boys. Phantom Boys, CH. Phantom Boys.
Was a full task, could have hit anywhere in the ground. He did well. Naveen did well to stop the ball. Was hit with sheer power. The ball was sent back where it has came from. Is creating difficulties for the batsman to find the gap. And he's doing his job absolutely well. Straight. And I thought it was straightly hit in the commentary box.
అన్నా 6 అన్నా.
And a 6. He made me anxious and I was worried for a while that the ball was straight coming into commentary box, but was delightful to watch him hit straight and was elegant. Thirteen overs completed and the score is 92. 4 wickets down.
బోండలు తినాయి
తింటా ఉంచు.
అదే సరేనా ప్యాకెట్లో ఉంటాయి ఈ ప్లేట్లోనే తినేస్తావా ఏంది
వేరే ప్లేట్ వేరే ప్లేట్ లేదా? రెండు ఉన్నాయి.
Heaved across, but will go on one bounce. The intuition is clear now and should follow the process they are executing right now. They are looking very good, all stars. And by good I mean the stars of all stars shining bright.
ఇది ఏమి ఏది ఇద్దే అది ఆఫ్ చేసాను.
And
లుకింగ్ కమ్ ఏంద్రా ఫోన్ తీ అక్కడి నుంచి
And they've collected 2 runs like I told. Stars of all stars looking very bright. And it's on high. Where is it? Where is it? It's straight in the fence for 4 runs. And with this boundary, 100 comes up for all stars. After this ball, the all stars make me remind the poem what my teacher taught me in my kindergarten. And very good piece of cricket, smart cricket, smart cricket. And the over ends. The score is 102. For all stars, I can recite a poem that is, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What you are is a bright star. Things are looking bright for you and should go at a steady pace, not being carried away, and should not let things getting over your head.
హలో
జరుగురా ముందుకు చూద్దాం.
ప్లేట్ తీసుకో
ప్లేట్
లేవంటే ఎట్లా?
And will be 1 run.
అక్కడ ఉండి తినే
ఇదే మరి నాకు అడిగితే ఇయ్యలేదు.
అలా కూర్చుంటా. వద్దు.
నాకు అడిగితే నువ్వే ఇయ్యలేదు.
Where has he hit it? Where has he hit it? Straight, maximum and a gigantic 6. They will take on and they are chopping everything coming in their way. Taking everything on.
అన్నా
Is this the end of Jinx for All Stars? They've had it enough. Few bad games, few close ones, and this is the knockout one. Will they take it as theirs?
ఫస్ట్ తినాయి సరేనా, తర్వాత ఆడు. ఇది వచ్చి
Come on boys, come on! Heads up!
Brave thing when you are being hit for 6, and if you're looping the ball up, that's your confidence. It's not easy when you're a spinner and when the batsman hits 6 for a good ball. And will be wide. The batsman knew that the ball was going somewhere off and didn't have to do. He just moved across and watched the ball. Looped up again, full toss. The sweeper's placed there, and my goodness, let's talk about the strike. What he hit it for 6 was absolutely powerful and gigantic. He just poured down all his power in the wrist, sit down and make it look beautiful.
సిక్స్ కొట్టింది సురేష్.
Half tracker. That wasn't the ball what he was expecting. If the ball was little too short and the batsman turned away, then would have been straight into the boundary.
నిఖిలేష్ ప్లేట్ ఏది నిఖిలేష్ నా ప్లేట్ ఏది తిందామంటే నువ్వు తీసుకొస్తావు ఇంకో ప్లేట్.
Full toss could have hit anywhere in the ground and will hit anywhere, but not nowhere. Will get 4 runs. 15 overs completed and the score is 117, and they are putting on the gears. If they shift the gears very well, they'll get the desired target. And All Stars is a brilliant unit with their bowling. If they can get things right with the fielding, and will be interesting to watch them have this battle against KCC. The all-out factor from previous match, which was haunting the captain of All Stars, at least will be some relief and will put smile on the captain's face as beautifully and diligently they are batting on crease. And for the other captain for KCC Royals will be a factor of concern here, where they are looking good and will want to get one of them out.
బాల్ అని
117.
వాళ్ళని మమ్మీ
Vamshi bought in the attack, who looked very good with his vicious bouncers and his beautiful spell in early part of the innings.
పడేది పెట్టేయి అలా పెట్టేయి. అడుగు సాయి కావాలా?
సాయన్నే అడిగింది
కాదు ఇద్దరు రక్కో
నువ్వు చట్నీ కూడా
Straight and beautiful for four inside out. Don't move away from your seats. Watch Suresh playing his stroke. And he's making count his life what he got. Early on he was dropped, and every run he hits will be a salt to the wound to add.
ఎట్లా పెట్టాలి బ్రో?
మరి నేను ఎట్లా పెట్టాలి
అక్కడే పెట్టి
ఆ చేత్తో
ఏం-
పెట్టు
ఏమైనా చేస్తున్నావా? ఇది ఆన్ చేయాలి. అక్కడ పెట్టి చెప్తాను నీకులే. అది
మరి
ఏంద్రా
అల్లు 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 నికాల
వేరే కిచెన్ కూడా లేదు
అలా లేకేమో
వద్దు వద్దు.
ఇచ్చేసి జర చూపెట్టు
కాండి చెప్పు
ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది
టూ రన్స్
కాండి చెప్పా అన్న
టూ రన్స్ వచ్చినాయి
పో.
టూ రన్స్ సురేష్ అన్న ట్రై ఎందుకంటే
పట్టుకోరా, చేసినావు కదా, ఆగు. ఇప్పుడు ముడ్డలో గోలా చేస్తావు, ముడ్డలో గోలా చేస్తావు.
అల్లు సే నికాల
క్లీన్ చేయి అది.
లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్
ఇంట్లో పెట్టేసినా
మొత్తం తీసే
తొందర తొందర క్లీన్ చేయి. పెండ చేయకాడ
అల్లు అల్లు
మళ్ళా చెప్తే చెప్పాలన్నా చూస్తే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. నీకే నీ పేరే వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆడ.
మెల్లగా మెల్లగా
చెయ్యి మళ్ళా. ఆడుంది బ్యాగ్ పైన. అది
పేపర్
वेट क्लॉथ తీసుకొని తీ. ఏ సాయి ఖరాబ్ అవుతావు. ఇలే थोड़ा हाथ कच्चा करके निकाल. ఇలే ఇగోరా. అందుకోసం రాద్దు రావద్దు వద్దు 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 అని అంటారు, కానీ మావాడు కదా అందుకోసం పడేయాడ. బాబు నువ్వు కూడా ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నావు ఏంద్రా?
క్లాత్ లేదు
ఏయ్ ఛీ,
ఎవరు పడేసి
మా తల మీద.
అలాగే పెట్టలేదు మళ్ళీ ఇదంటే అట్ట కింద కాబట్టి అట్ట పెట్ట తల అయితే చేతి
నీట్ అవగా
ఇది క్లీన్ చేయి సాయి. ఏది సాయి అంట నిఖిలేష్. కింద పో, ఆ ప్లేట్ తీసుకో, కవర్ తీసుకో. ఛీ, ఏం చేస్తావురా? మొత్తం కౌంట్ చేస్తున్నావు అబ్బా?
అరే
బాబు అక్కడ పోయి డస్ట్బిన్ లో పడి వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా ప్లేయర్స్ కి. సరే వింటున్నావా? వాటర్ బాటిల్ తీసుకొని రా సరేనా? టాబ్లెట్ ఇది వద్దు.
And heaved across again on the leg side. Will be 4 runs in the mid-wicket region. And with this 50 comes up for Suri. Suresh is making things count here. And his 50 shall not go in vain with the energy which is oozing out and dripping, spilling from his pavilion.
అరే ప్లేయర్స్ కి ఇస్తారు కదా,
ఆడవున్నాయా
ఆడే ఉన్నాయి. లేకపోతే ఈ బాటిల్ తీసుకొని రా.
వద్దులే తక్కువ
అల్లదండి
అవి తీసుకొని రా. సైక్ కావాలంట. మనోడే కదా అబ్బా.
ప్లేసులు ఖాళీ లేవు
ఏం కాదు
ఏ పో.
ఎక్కడ ఖాళీ
అట్లనే
తీసి అక్కడ పడేసి
ఇది మా వాడు నిఖిలేష్ అంటే ఇంటెలిజెంట్ బాయ్. తొందర పో, స్మైల్ చేయి. ఏ యార్.
And yes, he'll come back for 2. Very good running. He said, this is my call and I'll take the risks. And people who take risks make things count.
keep it simple easy
Bravery is the song playing in Suresh's head. Was hit like a tracer bullet. Was no chance. Smearing and piercing everybody out. What fielders could just do is sit, spectate, and clap to the glorious shot is played.
అన్నా ఏందన్నా కెమెరా ఉంది.
Hit hard, very good to put his hand. He saved couple of runs for his team.
అంతేనా
इधर आ जाओ सुधाकर आना.
स्कोर बोलो 139.
139.
इప్పుడే మొత్తం చట్నీ గిట్నీ पूरा गिरा दिया निखिलेश. साफ कराया लेंसा ఇక్కడ
ఏందన్నా ఏం సాంగ్స్
క్యామా నేనప్పుడు క్యామా అంతా ఫిక్స్ చేసి
వాళ్ళ ఫిక్స్ ఉంటుందని
अब से जितना आगा मैं पहली बार तो क्या होता बोल रहा हूँ मैं पहली कोड को बोल
మెమరీ కార్డు
हाँ
మెమరీ కార్డు
हाँ ఉంటుందా ना
6
And will be 6. Yes, your predictions are right. You don't have to be Nostradamus for that because it was great hit and had to be 6 as soon as he hit it.
मस्त गान चल रहा था दूसरे वालों ने देखा
किधर जा रहा बरकर దాటిలో
వద్దు నీళ్ళది ఆ నీళ్ళు వద్దు పడే నీ చేతిలో ఉండి నీ అబ్బా 4
And back-to-back boundaries here. With the 6, they get 4 runs. This is what we talk about. Suresh has got live. He is making it count. It's not about the loose shot what you've played. It's about the brilliant master strokes and quality strokes you are playing right now and making things look very well.
గోలా గోలా చెయ్యకు మంచి బాటిల్ తీసుకొని రా చేతులు కడిగి ఇది వద్దు అది వద్దు 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 పడే పడే వద్దు అరే నీళ్ళు రా తీసుకొని రా తొందర రా
And very good running. Very good running. Quick, smart, and every piece of cricket which is to be played, they are playing here. Intellectual game. And 151 is the score for All Stars. They are playing the required game they are to play till now. And may the evil eye be away from Team All Stars. They are looking good here. Comes down the track. Slugs it. We'll find the fielder.
पूछ रहा हूँ बाटल होने का बाटल है
सुधाकर है ना उसको 2 प्लेयर्स के वाटर बॉटल ना 2 लेके आओ बोलो हाँ हो गया अम्मा निखिलेश
बरकर आ रहा
అరే చేతులు కడగమని చెప్పు ఫస్ట్ నై మళ్ళా చేయమని చెప్పు సాయి వద్దు మనకు చేయమని చెప్పు
నిఖిలేష్ హ్యాండ్ వాష్ అయితే చేసుకుందా హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకుందా హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకుందా
చేసినావా అరే ఎవరైనా ఉచ్చ వస్తారా నీళ్ళ బాటిల్ చేతిలో పట్టుకొని నీ ఇంజనీర్ బుర్రా ఉచ్చ వేస్తావరా నాయన పెండకు పోలే
Swing and a miss. Wanted to take on. Should be patient. 17 overs completed. And the score is 153. Here, the key role will be played by Suresh and his auxiliary will be Sridhar. And will be very important to see them how they proceed. And the man's with the bottle and the drink is on the field with some strategy to discuss.
రైస్ సోడిగా
నాకు కావచ్చు కదా.
రైస్ సోడిగా ఛాంప్ ఛాంప్
ఛాంపియన్
నువ్వు ఆగ్రా ఇది పడే మళ్ళా
కామే కాకుమే.
తీసుకో మళ్ళా ఆడ ఇంకెందుకు ప్రసాదం ఇవ్వడానికి అందరికి
ఓ నికాల్తా वो चटनी निकालता बाहर निकाल.
ఏం కాదు
ఇది ఉంది నాకు.
ఏం కాదులేని
అది చేయి. ఉంది ఉంది ఇది. అది
చట్నీ ఎందుకు వేస్ట్ చేయడానికి మంచి బంగాళం చట్నీ అది
బాగా.
Full toss. Didn't get it well. 2 is the call. Can they get 2? And good thing if Suresh is there on strike. Sridhar can hit well. I'm not discrediting him of not hitting, but the balls and the strokes what Suresh has played is quite good and exemplary. Half tracker, hope is not hit. Smart piece, very good game. Sridhar is in the game, whereas watching the ball carefully with vigilantness. Comes down, and yes, that's his job. If not boundaries, at least 1s and 2s will be great for the team to at least get the scoreboard ticking. The question is, can they get something and somewhere around 170? If they can, will be a hefty fat total.
నాకు చూడు.
ఇట్లా పడేస్తున్నారా చెత్తకుండా ఏంది ఇది పల్లెటూరా
And 4 runs. This is what I told. Just bring this man on strike if you want to deal with boundaries. He's dealing with boundaries at the minute. Singles and 2s is no word for him in the dictionary. Hello to innovation. Tried something and will get marks for trying at least. This is what you can try everything because you are the man who spent a lot of minutes, the maximum out of your team. Takes on, fielder coming in. Will he get? Yes, this time he gets. With 1 bounce, nothing to worry about for the batting team. And the over ends. 18 overs completed, the score is 162. Should at least look out for 170 odd runs. The effort what Suresh and Sridhar are putting is brilliant, and if they can the bowlers were looking very good. Sai Prasad in the attack. Straight on, out of the park. Somebody please get it from the other planet.
అదేం ప్లానెట్ కే మళ్ళీ ఏడవండి
Do you have spaceships? Team All Stars? Do you think you can hit the ball to stars or the planets? Please get your own spaceship.
బాల్
What a super shot is played. Keep up the good work and few good hits away you are from your century. Swing and is very close to stumps. Very close. Cheekily bold. Cheekily bold.
Venga, come on, boys! Come on, venga.
మళ్ళా కోతి వేషాలు వేసావా దిగిపో
Bowling!
Away from him, he moved across too much. And good mix and variation from Sai Prasad. Threw everything away what he had. Are they looking for two? Ah, yes, he will have to run, force himself. Uncomfortable, the throw was somewhere else.
Come on, boys!
Maybe the sun was reflecting on his face. Didn't know where the keeper is standing exactly.
Nice, boys!
And will be one run. The score is 172
1 over remaining
with 1 over remaining. And the cameraman running across.
Varadini.
ఎంత పైన ఆడుతున్నాడు
ఒక లోపల 83.
He's on 83. We've seen how big he can hit Suresh and Dinesh, who's in the attack. Suresh and Dinesh, what a combination. Hit hard. Will go to the boundary. Yes, it will. What a super strike. Super striker of the ball. And has got 5 more balls. What a way to start with your over. This is the last over. This is how you can capitalize. Come down! And Gonski! Somewhere to the other ground. Flight number Suresh has taken off. He is belted away.
निकलेश बॉल తీసుకురా పోతా జాకే బాల్ ఎక్కే
బాల్ తీసుకొని రా అక్కడికి పోయి
ఆడబట్టే చెట్టు కాడ
Place your groundsmen wheresoever they are on the boundary line. This man is unstoppable.
Come on, Dinesh! Wait!
Moves across. Will be a couple of bounces. And for again. Masterpiece. You beauty. 3 runs away. He should hold his nerves on. He's got 3 more balls. And 3 runs away from his century. And swung hard, and he'll get the century. He's gone bonkers. Can you believe that? Out of nowhere, this is the man whom they've dropped at earlier stage and he's made it count. Can be happy. He's done it for his team and taken century, and with the storm, he's taken everyone off and on. 2 more balls and 10 runs away from 200. Can he do it? And yes! Sixer! Maximum! I mean, go check his bat. If it is written for every ball, he has to dispatch for 6 and 4. He was doing nothing wrong previously bowling Dinesh, and he's been played. I cannot see what he's doing for the other bowlers. He's playing around. And catches the call, and this is what happens. Fate loves the fearless. And 4. Can you believe what has been the timeline of this over? Starting with 6, starting with 4 and ending with 4. And with this, Suresh has answered me, and 200 comes up for All Stars.